Hey guys, I just wanted to show you real quick how to propagate golden pothos. It is super simple, and it loves to grow. It loves to hang in containers like this. So it's very easy. You just very simply get a jar of water. You get some scissors. And these are, I bared the roots so you would be able to see. So this is how the pothos grows. They're runners. And so they have these knuckles, right? Okay, this is a knuckle. This is a knuckle. See how that looks? Knuckle. Okay. So what you're going to do is just real simple. You're going to get your scissors and you're going to cut between the knuckles. Cut between the knuckles. And then you just take them. And if they have no roots, if they're brand new propagation, here, like this one is now, well, here, actually, if you want to be extreme, we can cut that knuckle. And then him, you're just going to drop him in the water and he's going to sprout. So these, see that knuckle? There's no roots, so you just stick them in and you can let them float. But if there are roots and you're just trying to get them, like these guys, I want them stronger, so I'm just going to do this a while. So then you're just going to stick the whole thing down in the water. And then within 2 weeks, they're going to be like that. They're going to be crazy rooted, and you will have tons of plants. And that is the fastest, quickest, easiest. I don't do any hormone. I don't do any growth hormone. Everything's done organic. And I'm just going to do these guys and go on. And see, like this little dude. See, he's starting to sprout. So we can just go ahead and throw him in the jar. And that's it. It's easy. Simple. Okay? Love yourself. Love each other. Bye, guys.